So hi and welcome to this video. So today what we're going to be doing in this Python 101 video is we're going to be learning how to open files using the tkinter library. So what I mean by that is we're going to, if I go to open, you'll see there's a file dialog that allows me to open files. And I'm going to be showing you how to create one of those in Python and load the file name into the program, which is our Python program. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to import the tkinter library. So we're just going to say from tkinter import all, which should import everything from the tkinter library. And then the next thing we need to do is we need to create a variable called root, and we're going to set it equal to tk and then to parentheses. So this is just a function with a capital T, obviously, because it's case sensitive. So just remember that it's capital T and lowercase k, and then two parentheses, obviously, because it's a function. And we assign it to the variable root. So if I hit F5, what should happen is our window should load because of our tk variable. And just so this is how you should think of the tk variable, just as a sort of the main window for the program. So I'm going to close those, and we only have one more line of code to actually write. So what this is going to do is this is the line that actually opens the file dialog, or actually we have two lines actually left to right. So what I'm going to say is root.filename, and this is going to be the variable we're going to store the file name in. And I'm going to set that equal to file dialog dot, and then the reason it's a dot is because we're getting the file dialog class from the tkinter library, and we're getting the ask open file name function from within that class. So this is a function, so we surround it in parentheses at the end. I mean, we put parentheses at the end of the function. And then within this, what we want to do is we want to say file types, and then we want to set that equal to more parentheses, and then we want to put a space there, so there's a bit more room, and we want to create actually even more parentheses. So we're going to create another set of parentheses, actually two more sets, and we're going to separate them by a comma. And the reason for these parentheses within the parentheses is because each of these is a specified file type that we're going to allow. So for example, you could allow any type of file here, and then you could have an all files option here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create how code files. And then also within these parentheses I have to add another comma and double quotes, and I want to say .hc. So what this will do is it will make it recognize files that end with the .hc extension, and it will know they're called how code files. And the last one I'm going to do is an all files one, which is actually really easy. All we have to say is all files, comma, and then another set of double quotes, and we just put asterisk, and then a dot, and then another asterisk. So this just specifies we'll allow any kind of file to be opened, and we actually have to put another asterisk up here, so we allow any file that ends in a .hc extension to be opened. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the program again with F5. And as you can see, we have our file dialog. If I click here, it says howcodefiles.hc, and all files is also another option. So the final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually record the name of the file that gets opened. So what I'm going to do there is I'm going to just go down here, and I'm going to say print. And since it's Python 3, we have to use the print function as opposed to just writing a print and then double quotes. So I'm going to say print root.filename, which should print out the result or the file name of our file. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it again. So if I hit F5, what will happen is this should run the program. We have the two options. We can choose how code files. We can use all files. If I click all files, scroll down to file. Here I have a file called text.txt. If I double click on that, as you can see, if we move this window out of the way, actually just close it. As you can see, what happened was it got recorded in the Python terminal. The reason it's just txt.txt is because I actually just created a new txt file and called it test.txt. So it's not actually a bug with our code, it's just I misnamed the file name. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, favorite, and subscribe, and also don't forget to tell me what you think of these videos. And if there's anything else you want to see or you want me to do differently, just let me know. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, favorite, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.